Hello students, welcme to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already we started the integrations and in that I explained so many methods. In the today's class, I will explain the NCERT exercise 7.4. So please watch the video till end. See that in exercise 7.4, the first example. Integrate, the question is integrate the following. Integrate the following with respect to x. First problem, integration of 3x square upon x raised to 6 plus 1. See, if you are thorough in all that 6 formula and the methods, the given integration will be written as 3x square, x raised to 6 is x cube whole square plus 1 square into dx. And here we are writing x cube as a t. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square into dx is dt. See, that we required in the problem. This is 1 upon t square plus 1 square into dt. It is in the form of 1 upon a square plus x square into dx. This is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a is 1. Tan inverse t by a means 1 plus c. 1 by 1 is 1, no need to write that. Tan inverse t value is x cube plus c. See, is it simple or what? Yes, if you are thorough in the formula and the methods, the problems are very simple. Moving to the next question, that is question number 2. 1 upon root of 4x square plus 4x square into dx. Keep the formula list with you. In all that 6 formulas, x square coefficient is always plus 1 or minus 1. So there are 2 methods. I will explain both the methods. First method, you can take 4 common. So coefficient of x square will be 1. And this is 1 by 4 plus x square into dx. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. And root of 1 by 4 will be written as 1 by 2 square plus x square into dx. Now 1 by 2 outside. I am not doing any substitution. Just I write the problem and I will explain which method is applicable here. Which formula is applicable. See, it is in the form of 1 upon root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square. It is the log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So 1 by 2 I kept as it is. It is the log of x plus root of 1 by 2 whole square plus x square plus c. If you want, you can take the LCM and simplify also you can write. This is one method. Or the another method for the same problem, the another method is like this. Write down or. See, the given problem will be written as 1 upon root of 1 plus 4x square is 2x whole square into dx. Put 2x is equal to t. Because x square coefficient should be either plus 1 or minus 1. So when you differentiate, 2 into dx is equal to dt. In the problem we require only dx. dx is dt by 2. So the given problem will be written as 1 upon root of 1 plus t square into dt by 2. 1 by 2 log of t plus root of 1 plus t square plus c. This is 1 by 2 log of t value is 2x plus root of 2x whole square. See here also, if you take the LCM and take outside, you will get the same answer. This is 1 by 2 log of 2x plus root of 1 plus 4x square plus c. See, is the sum is simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next question, that is question number 3. Depending on the student it is. Question number 3. 1 upon root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 square into dx. See the sum. Here again it is 2 minus x. I am writing 2 minus x as a t. Minus dx, when you differentiate, minus dx is equal to dt, but we require only dx. Dx is minus dt. So the given problem will be 1 upon root of t square plus 1 square into minus dt. So minus as it is log of t plus root of t square plus 1 square plus c. It is minus log of t value is 2 minus x. 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 square plus c. Moving to the next example, that is question number 4. One upon square root of 9 minus 25x square into dx. Again you can solve it by two methods. You can take 25 common, or this will be written as 1 upon root of 3 square minus 5x whole square into dx. Put 5x is equal to t. It is dx is equal to dt upon 5. Now write down that values. 1 upon root of 3 square minus t square into dt upon 5. 1 by 5 constant, so which formula is applicable? 1 upon root of a square minus x square is applicable. That is sin inverse x by a. So sin inverse t by 3 plus c. This is 1 by 5. Sin inverse t value is 5x upon 3 plus c. Moving to the next example, question number 5. See, the sums are very simple. Only thing is you have to thorough in that 6 formulas. So that's why I am telling, please keep that formula list in front of you, and along with me, just go on writing these problems. Next. Question number 5. It is 3x upon 1 plus 2 into x raised to 4. This time writing as 3 outside, 1 upon 1 square, and 2x raised to 4 is root 2x square whole square into dx. Put root 2x into is equal to t. Root 2 into dx is dt. Dx is dt upon root 2. So this is 3, 1 upon 1 square plus t square dt upon root 2. 3 upon root 2. It is in the form of This is 1 by A tan inverse x by A plus C. It is 1 by A. A means 1. So no need to write that. Tan inverse T by 1. 1 is not necessary to write. So this is 3 by 2. Tan inverse root 2x plus C. Moving to the next question. That is question number 6. X square upon 1 minus x raised to 6. So this will be written as x square upon 1 square minus and the substitution is x cube is equal to t, that is 3x square into dx is dt. X square into dx is dt upon 3. It is 1 upon t, 1 upon 1 square minus t square into dt upon 3. Which formula? 1 upon a square minus x square into dx is 1 by 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. This is 1 by 3 already there. 1 by 2a, a is 1 log of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t plus c. And write down that t value. One by 6 log of 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube plus c. See, if the sums are very simple or what? Yes, the sums are very simple. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. It is little bit interesting. Please mark that. X minus 1 upon root of x square minus 1 into dx. Like a previous examples, I am not doing substitution. See here. In the numerator, we have a linear. I am writing this as x upon root of x square minus 1 minus 1 upon root of x square minus 1. Understood? And I took the integration separately. X upon root of x square minus 1 into dx minus integration 1 upon root of x square minus 1 into dx. In the first integral, put x square minus 1 as a t. This gives you 2x into dx is dt. But what we required in the problem? We required x into dx, that is dt by 2. So only in first integration I am doing a substitution. It is 1 upon root t into dt by 2, and this I kept as it is. X square minus 1, because at the same time I am doing a integration on both for both integration. Here 1 by 2 constant. What is integration of 1 by root t? 2 root t minus. Have you remembered what is the integration of 1 upon x square minus root of x square minus a square? That is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. It is log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus 6. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Root of t value is what? X square minus 1 minus log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus 6. So the problem we wrote in the form of x. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8. X square upon x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 into dx. And students, for our convenience, just write in the simplest form of this. Simplest form means just we have to rearrange. This is x square. X raised to 6 I am writing as x cube whole square, and a raised to 6. A raised to 6 for our convenient I am writing alpha square. Understood? I am writing alpha square for our convenient, and don't differentiate that because just we are replacing a constant. Now put x cube is equal to t. 3x square into dx is dt. We require only x square into dx. X square into dx is dt by 3. So it is 1 upon root of t square plus alpha square into dt by 3. This is 1 by 3. Which formula? 1 upon root of a square plus x square into dx. This is the log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So it is the log of t plus t square plus alpha square plus c. 1 by 3 log of t value is x cube plus x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 plus c. See, if the sum is very easy or what? Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. See the next question, 9th one, integration of secant square x upon root of tan square x plus 4. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiation of tan is secant square x into dx is dt. Correct or what? Now that we required in the problem. Then how you write the given problem? 1 upon root of t square plus 2 square into dt. It is log of 2 plus t square plus 2 square plus c. This is log of, sorry, t, not 2. T value is what? Tan x plus the root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. Moving to the next question, that is question number 10. Total there are 25 questions are there. I will explain at least 12 questions in one class and in remaining 12 questions in another class. Moving to the next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10. 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. See, it is in the form of, have you remembered the method? It is root of ax square plus bx plus c. In previous class I already explained this. So right on the side, write on x square plus 2x plus 2. X coefficient is 1. First step is completed, plus 1. Now x square coefficient is plus 1. One step is over. Now x coefficient is 2. Half of that is 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 square plus 2 minus 1 square. The first 3 gives you perfect square. X plus 1 whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1. It is 1 upon root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square into dx. Put x plus 1 is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. So write down that values. This will be 1 upon root of t square plus 1 square into dt. It is the log of t plus root of t square plus 1 square. Please keep the formula list with you. It is the log of t value is x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus c. Here log of, if you want you can stop it here only, or x plus 1, and this quadratic equation is very simple. That's why I am expanding and simplifying. When you expand and simplify, this is x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. Question number 10. Moving to the next question, that is question number 11. Moving to the next question, that is question number 11. One upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx. On the side write down 9x square plus 6x plus 5. X square coefficient is 9, make it plus 1. So 9 common. X square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9. See 3 2s are 3 3s are. Now x coefficient is 2 by 3. Half of that is what? Yes, half of that is 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 square plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 3 square. Now 9 as it is, x plus 1 by 3 whole square as this is a perfect square, plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9. How much it is? 4 by 9. 9 in the bracket, x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 4 by 9. See, is it simple or what? Yes. Only thing is it is just addition, subtraction like that. Now write down that value. It is 1 upon 9 in the bracket, x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 4 by 9 is 2 by 3 whole square into dx. I kept 1 by 9 outside as it is, and for our convenience I am writing, put x plus 1 by 3 as a t. Dx is dt. It is 1 upon t square plus 2 by 3 whole square into dt, and it is in the form of 1 upon a square plus x square into dx. I think you remember the formula. It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Correct or what? Yes. Now apply that formula. In place of a we have 2 by 3. 1 by 9 into 1 upon 2 by 3 tan inverse of t upon 2 by 3 plus c. Here they get cancels. 1 by 6 tan inverse 2 by 3, it goes up, 3t upon 2 plus c. Write down that t value. 1 by 6 tan inverse 3 into t value is what? X plus 1 by 3 upon 2 plus c. If you want to take the LCM for this bracket term, when you take the LCM for bracket term, see how you will write? It is 1 by 6 tan inverse of, take the LCM, it is 3x plus 1 divided by 2 plus 6. 11th question. Moving to the 12th question. 1 upon root of 7 minus 6x minus x square into dx. So here also we have to make it as a perfect square. Now I am writing, actually we have to write it on the right side, there is no place. Now I am writing on the left side. We have to make it a perfect square. For our convenience there is no place, that's why I am writing here. Write down without root. 7 minus 6x minus x square. X square coefficient should be plus 1. Take minus common. Now x square coefficient is plus 1. X coefficient is 6. Half of that is what? 3. X square plus 6x plus 3 square minus 7 minus 3 square. It is x plus 3 whole square minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16. Take 9 minus inside. 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. 16 will be written as 4 square. Root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square into dx. Put x plus 3 is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. 1 upon root of 4 square minus t square into dt. It is in the form of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. That is nothing but sine inverse of x upon a. Sine inverse of t by 4 plus c. Write down the t value. Sine inverse. T is what? X plus 3 divided by 4 plus c. So here I explained the 12 questions. In the next class I will explain the remaining. So total 25 are there. Remaining 13 questions I will explain in the next class.